What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hellcat channel for another episode. Today I'll do something a little different. Many people's got these Suzuki kingquads. They have a few issues from the factory, which what four-wheeler don't. I know Banshees do, but I'm going to show you something that I've created for the ATV that is making it a whole lot better than what it comes from the factory, and it also comes with a warranty with what I'm making. Many people know that these kingquads, the 450, 500, 700, and 750 have what they call worm mounts for the engine mounts, and you can literally take a brand new off the showroom floor and the motor flexes, and eventually long term, 2,000 miles, I know I changed these out with my new motor mounts, which is what I'm going to talk to you about today, at around 2,800 miles. Some of the benefits of these motor mounts is the motor stays more stationary. It helps to put the power down to the ground a whole lot better. These has been made for over a year now. They're made by me and one of my friends, and these engine mounts are made very stiff, but they absorb the vibration that is caused by the engine flexing and the vibration of the ATV. These also come with a 3-month limited manufacturer warranty against manufacturer defects. So you buy these directly from me, and the way to work is you can email me at srt-4matt@hotmail.com. You shoot me an email, and I'll shoot you an email back, and we'll get started on you purchasing some motor mounts. So what I did the other day was actually look these up from a dealership, and my local dealer quoted me around $80 to $100, somewhere in that ballpark. I sell these for $125 shipped in the USA. And like I said, these come with a 3-month warranty where your factory ones do not. So just to say, after your 6-month warranty goes out on your kingquad and you need to replace your motor mounts, well, you don't get a warranty with those motor mounts. And mine, what you see in the picture here, I don't know if you can see it, you kind of can. They come with a 3-month warranty, like I said earlier. They'll come in a pack like this. It says kit in a bag, and you'll get your 4 lower bottom motor mounts. In previous sets that I had sold, I'd made the upper torque limiter motor mount, but after further R&D on these and being sold to 20 different people across the world, I've shipped some to Nova Scotia, Canada, Romania. I've shipped a few to the USA, so around 20 sets. Here locally, they're in mine 4 local kingquads. I replaced these at around 2,800 miles on my kingquad, and it now has 4,476 miles. No issues to date. Every feedback I get from every person that's bought these motor mounts loves them. They are absolutely amazing. That pretty much sums it up. Like I said, these fit your 450, 500, 700, and 750. They are a direct OEM replacement, utilizing your factory parts. You will get colored pictures when purchasing these from me. You will get my customer support via instant messenger or email, whichever you prefer, or you can send me a text message from your cell phone, whatever. But these are called the new design engine mounts. You can kind of see them right here. We call them the new design. So that pretty much sums it up. They do fix the ATV though, and keep it from causing the rear drive shaft to pop out when the motor mounts wear out. Other benefits of it, the motor don't sag into the frame. I was actually at a local Suzuki dealer the other day, and the engine on one of them that came in for motor mounts itself had sagged, and the case was laid on the frame. The mounts was so worn out. And I was trying to talk that local Suzuki dealer into buying these mounts, but I don't remember what the customer wanted to do. But like I said, they've been installed in over 20 of the kingquads worldwide, and I'm still selling them to date. And they do come with a 3-month limited manufacturer warranty. So if you want these motor mounts for your kingquad, you want to talk to me a little more about it, shoot me an email. Like I said, it's srt-4matt@hotmail.com. I'll be glad to get back with you and discuss whatever option you want. In the picture, they come in blue. The recent ones that I have made, they come in red. And it just depends on what batch I have and what color is going on at the time is the color you'll get. If you want to know exactly what color you get when purchasing these, just ask me and I will let you know. But they do strengthen the engine up a whole lot. You don't have to worry about it flexing no more. I've got guys that's got these on kingquads that snorkeled. This one's snorkeled, but it's on factory tires. Some of the other guys is putting them on 750s. It's got 30-inch Mudzillas, and man, that's the awesome reviews I'm getting back from these motor mounts. And like I said, all you got to do is shoot me an email. They're $125, shipped in the United States, and they'll come in a pack just like this. So if you guys haven't done so already, be sure and smash that subscribe button. Share this with your friends, especially your kingquad friends. It's got these ATVs. The more y'all share it, the more it's viewed by people that has these ATVs, and you don't have to buy them junky worm mounts from the Suzuki dealers no more. So, yep, that pretty much sums it up. So y'all guys have a good day, and happy you ride.